Have something you need to print? Don't worry. It's easy. Before you can print, you need to load money on your PrintSmart account. Go to the library website and scroll down to see a series of important and popular links. Print Copy Scan is found on the right-hand side. On the next page, click Log into PrintSmart and use your Mac ID and password to log in. Once you're logged in, select Add Funds from the left sidebar. You can add value to your PrintSmart account from any computing device using debit or credit cards in $5, $10, $20, or $50 increments. If you don't have a debit or credit card from a major institution, talk to the library service desk staff to learn about your printing options. When printing from a computer in the library, prepare your print job as you would normally. Make sure you've checked your print options to ensure all settings are correct. You will be asked for your PrintSmart credentials, your Mac ID and password. A pop-up will appear which will show the description and costs associated with your print job. Assuming they are correct, click Print. Then, go to any public photocopier and log into the machine, again using your Mac ID and password. Then, highlight your print job, click Print. Your job is now printing. When you're done, remember to log out. To print from a personal computer such as your laptop, you must first save your document as a PDF. Sign into PrintSmart and go to Web Print. Select Submit a Job, then select Black and White or Color Printing. Click Print Options and Account Selection in the bottom right corner. Click the Upload Documents button, upload your document and click Upload and Complete. Then go to any public photocopier and retrieve your print job following the same steps. Congratulations! Now that your account is set up, you can copy, print, or scan at any of the public photocopiers in the libraries, the Mary Keys Residence, the Commons Building, or the Ron Joyce Center.